So they've been told that having too many pillows is a bad idea. So I've seen this, in my own circle of friends and family and stuff. People don't like pillows because they think it's going to be really uncomfortable. But now I see some of them, they can't do without those pillows. They love it so much that half the time they're just with those pillows, relaxing on their beds, watching TV and stuff like that. So the same is in the case of my clients and stuff. When we do sofas for them, we do chairs for them, we try and kind of incentivize, and we kind of give them complimentary cushions and stuff because we want them to be really comfortable. And believe me, those cushions or those the kind of items that we have are really expensive, but we're giving those as freebies to some of our esteemed clients and customers and stuff. So then you have candles. You can have candles, you can have an aquarium, you can have diffusers, and you can have water bodies. A lot of people prefer fountains. If you can't have fountains, you can have a small, probably a cocktail aquarium at home and stuff. You can have, plants and flowers placed in natural pots. And if you don't want to look at brown pots, you don't want to look at old school pots and stuff, then you can have glass vases. You can have, it's up to you what you want to do. You can have a cocktail glass, you can have a cocktail. You can have whatever you like. So that's up to you what you want to kind of use and stuff. And what's really important is that you maintain tidiness and cleanliness, because you won't want to spend your energy and time